Hey everyone, long time no see, and yes, that is still my Christmas tree up in the back. We'll be taking it down this week. So I'm getting ready to go to the farmer's market with my friend, and it made me think of, I get a lot of questions. People ask me like why you can't eat fruit on keto or why you can't eat certain types of vegetables on keto. So I'm going to answer that real quick before I head out. So it's not that you can't eat fruit on keto. What it is fruit is really high in sugar and carbs. And so when you're doing keto to lose weight, you want to keep your sugar and carbs low. Sugar and carbs spikes insulin. When insulin is high, it blocks fat burning. So you can eat fruit, but you only want to stay within the berry family, like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Those are lower in carbs and lower in sugar, and make sure that you are measuring those out. You don't want to eat too many of those a day. Also with your vegetables, you can eat vegetables, but you want to mainly stay with the green cruciferous vegetables like the spinach, the broccoli, the asparagus, Brussels sprouts. What else? Actually, you can also do cauliflower, and that's good. All the other vegetables, once again, higher in carbs, higher in sugar. So when insulin is high, fat burning does not happen. We need to lower our insulin in order to get fat burning happening. So when you finish losing weight and you go into maintenance, still doing the keto diet, definitely you can add some of those fruits back, but not too much. Definitely that's when moderation comes into play. So enjoy your berry family fruits on keto, enjoy your green vegetables on keto, and now I'm gonna head out to the farmer's market with my friend, and if we find some good keto vegetables and fruits there, I will show you guys. Actually, let me go ahead and take you along anyway. Come on. Hey everybody, so I just got to my friend's house, picked her up, and we're getting ready to head out to the farmer's market. Even she herself is not quite sure what vegetables or fruits we should be eating on keto, so I'm about to educate you and her today. Say hey.
Hi.
All right, so we just made it to the market. We're about to go inside and see what they got. needed a coffee fix. Get us through.
Yes.
Good deal for how much?
$30, and I was over by 67 cents.
That was my first time going to this farmer's market. I've never been to one like this before, but they had so much good stuff. We're definitely coming back. My girl here, she's a pro in there. You should have saw her weaving in and out through them people bumping them, making them move. But no, she learned a lot, didn't you?
I did. I learned a lot. I didn't realize that I could have so much more than denying myself.
Yeah. So on keto, you're not really denying yourself. You're just making different choices, things that are going to support you in your weight loss, and not saying that all that other stuff in there was bad for you, except for the candy and the potato chips. Yeah, definitely thumbs down on those. But when you're in weight loss mode, you are wanting to lower some things, make a few sacrifices. So then when you finally get to maintenance, you can reintroduce those back again, but just little by little.
Taquitos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you in a few. So we come back home to put away all these vegetables, and this girl is over here cleaning out her pantry of all these carbs. Good job.